Hi there, students. Make it so. I don't know if you've ever watched Star Trek The New Generation, but Captain Picard very often uses this phrase. Sir, we need to go that way. And he says, make it so. Let's go that way. We go that way. Or he says, the engine needs repairing. Make it so. Repair it. Okay, make it like that. The so refers to what we were discussing before. You need to be very careful with this phrase because you are sounding like an emperor, a king, who has people or minions, servants, to do everything that he needs. And he says, make it so. This phrase is extremely patronizing. It's saying, I am the boss, I am the leader, and I am too important to actually do the manual things. I just give the orders. Apparently, this phrase, make it so, was a very common phrase in sailing ships, and maybe even later, from the captain of the ship. And like that, he's giving orders to his crew. So effectively, if you use this phrase, make it so, you are giving orders to your underlings. That's why it is a phrase you should be careful with, because it could easily make people angry. If you've been designated as the leader and you've also been designated that you don't do any of the dirty work, I guess you could say this, make it so. Maybe the head chef in the kitchen says, team, we need 3 desserts, we need to make some pate, and we need to make some puddings. Make it so. And then he goes off for coffee. Now do it. Having given the order, then that's enough. His work is done. No, chefs are not like that. He then gets down to it and does exactly what needs to be done, and he helps his people to do it. Okay, so make it so. This so is referring to what was said before. I very often get the feeling that the Prime Minister of a country, he talks about plans of things to be improved in his country, and then he says to his team, make it so. And then he gives speeches about why this is good and things like that. But he actually doesn't do any of the implementation. The British voted for Brexit, to leave the European Union. But the government is finding it nearly impossible to make it so, to make it like that. Notice here I've used this in a sentence rather than somebody speaking. I think make it so sounds quite formal. Yeah? I think for a formal speaking, the boss said make it so we had better do it. I think informally, in an informal conversation, do it. Just do it. Like the Nike ad says. Okay? So, just do it. Make it so. Make it like that. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Make it so.